Good afternoon, guys. We are at Cedar Point today getting another RMC Mean Streak construction update. And as you can see, or try to see, in these supports, there are a lot of ledgers. There's some all the way up at the top, and then there's some all the way down at the bottom. They go all the way from back there, all the way to around here. As you can see, down there, they're about level. As soon as you get up here, they're vertical. So the next inversion is taking place, and we'll take a look more at the site. As you can see back there, one of the camelbacks already have ledgers on them, and track work is being put up near the mid-course brake run. So sooner or later we'll see it start working its way out of the mid-course brake run.